Today unboxing is on the Tomica Premium VW Type 1, also Takara Tomy Mall Exclusive. I did a review on the mainline Bumblebee version, which is very awesome, and the Takara Tomy Mall is just a color variation from the outer box. And now let's take a closer look at the Takara Tomy Mall Exclusive VW Type 1. Unlike the mainline, it doesn't have any number on the box. You can see the VW license sticker with a few angles of the casting. Color is very unique in turquoise green, very retro. It doesn't have the Bumblebee vibe unlike the yellow version, but this color is really unique. Execution for the Beetle is fantastic. The plastic insert headlights looks very realistic. I really love the attention to detail by Tomica to this casting. Very nice details with beautiful paint job. The rear light comes in plastic insert, not painted. Although no opening parts, it comes with standard suspension. Even the wheel set has the VW logo, is very nice. And at the scale of 1:58, it's quite a huge casting. You can imagine how small the Beetle is if it's in 1:64. And although I lean more towards the mainline, this Takara Tomy Mall Exclusive really pairs well with the Bumblebee Beetle. More Tomica Premium unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!